How to refund on Pandabuy. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to refund on Pandabuy. Now let's get started. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for pandabuy.com. Now make sure you are logged in. If not, then go ahead and log yourself in. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on the User Center option. On the left side toolbar, you will see the option for order. Tap on that and here you will be able to see all your orders. So go ahead and tap on the order that you want to get refund for. You will see the option for cancel. Tap on that. You will now be asked to choose a reason for cancellation. So go ahead and choose the best suited option for you. In the pop-up that appears, tap on the confirm button, and with this your refund has been initiated. Once your refund gets verified, your refund will be sent to your Pandabuy account balance, which can further be used for your future payment purpose in Pandabuy, or you can also withdraw the refund to your bank account if you want. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.